Howdy, working on a 94 Econoline with a 5.0, doing water pump and thermostat here. There's a coolant pipe, goes on top of the alternator. I've seen online people having a little bit of fuss about this. I was having a little bit of fuss of it myself. This I can deal with this up here. It's a little corroded and junk. Not so hot on this. I wanted to see if we could replace this hose. This assembly is hard to get a hold of. It is only there's no aftermarket for it as far as I can find. And so I got to figure, well, I could check a junkyard, but that might be in just as bad shape as this one. As far as that rubber hose, I really want to replace that hose, but it had this funky crimp thing on it that you see usually on like AC lines, hydraulic lines, stuff like that. And I never fool with any of that stuff. I don't know how to build those. I know there's people out there who do, but decided just to have a go at it. Cut that with the grinder, and hold on, just rip this off. Pops off, and we have pretty much a normal end here. So this is 5/8. Gonna put some 5/8 just bulk heater hose on there. Got it from a local parts store got a foot of it for like $2. But we're gonna throw that on and see how that does for us. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that that's an option there if you run into this issue. So have a good one.